So there's 3 particulars about neural connectivity. How implicit and explicit memory data talks to each other from various experiences throughout life. How neural wiring from every year of life talks to each other. And how neural data throughout all roles of the neurobiological social engagement system talk to each other. And all of these have a great sense of importance within how the unconscious body-mind navigates and regulates its own existence. For example, neural data from age 5 connecting with neural wiring affecting present moment experiences, that connectivity matters as one of infinite examples. One way or one reason that it matters is because having neural wiring connect from age 5 to the present moment experience helps the inner child, the 5-year-old childhood self aspects who experienced original stages of neurodevelopment and now encounter that neural wiring beyond awareness in the unconscious body-mind, those parts of consciousness of the inner child, are then able to see the adult that they grew up to be, providing connection between self aspects, and the adult who is now here to care for them, with distinction between self aspects. That is one of infinite examples about why this matters, why it's important, how it's affecting us. Can childhood self aspects fully see and resonate with and connect with the present self who is now experiencing life? And that depends on neural connectivity.